I know what you're thinking. When you think of couponing, you think of tons and tons of newspaper and buying tons and tons of stuff that you may not need. But I am here to teach you how to coupon in 2022 without the overwhelm, without the stress, without the pressure, and by getting all the things that you need. So my name is Crystal, aka Krista Maximizer. I'm a money savings coach, and I have been couponing for over 13 years. In 2018, I started this here YouTube channel to help you learn how to save money and coupon with ease. So for today's video, I'm gonna break down how you can start couponing in 2022, literally from your phone. So let's go ahead and dig right into this. So I got my start in couponing after watching the show Extreme Couponing. And back then, couponing was kind of sort of like that. The show was absolutely positively fake. But I was able to go get a newspaper, clip out coupons, walk into the grocery store, walk into CVS, and actually save money. But y'all, in 2022, couponing does not work like that. So let me break down my top 4 tips for how to coupon in 2022 with ease. First things first, if you've ever watched any of my videos, ever done any of my trainings, the first thing I'm going to tell you rings true for anything and everything that you're going to buy. Step 1 is that you need to create a list. You're not just going to create any list, you're going to create 2 lists. The first list is your needs list. These are the things that your family needs for the next week or 2 or else you will perish. So like, we're low on eggs, we're low on tuna, we want salad, I also need salad dressing. What are your family's immediate needs for the next week or 2? Whenever you're watching this video, that's list number 1. That needs list will change every week, every other week based on your family's shopping habits. That is something that's going to be an ever-changing list. Your second list is basically what I like to call your never want to run out of list or your stockpile list. That is basically the things that are behind me. All the things that we always want to have on hand and stocked up on that we never want to run out of. If they lock us down today and tomorrow, the things that are here are the things that are going to allow us to survive through, another lockdown should we have one. And don't worry, your girl has like her paper products over there. So your never want to run out of list are the things that you always want to have on hand. And these are the things you're going to get at the lowest price possible because you stock up on them. All this toothpaste was free or a moneymaker. We don't pay for toothpaste. So that's tip number 1. Create a list, your needs list and your never want to run out of list. And if you haven't realized, right, I'm going to come into these next couple of tips, but couponing starts at home. I should have said that at the beginning of the video. The hard part of couponing starts at home. The hard work, the breakdowns, the numbers, it starts at home and it starts with that list. Tip number 2. I want you to choose your conglomerate of stores. I said 3 to 4, but it could be as many as 7 stores that you think you are going to be shopping at. So for me, CVS, Walgreens, Target, Walmart, BJ's, and Publix, that's 6 stores. Those are my 6 main stores, and then Dollar General and Family Dollar and Dollar Tree sometimes. But the main 6 stores are the ones that I'm going to be shopping at and couponing at monthly, bi-weekly, bi-monthly, okay? So you need to choose your top stores. You're not going to coupon at these stores every single week. You just want to know what stores you're going to be looking at each week. So you're going to need to carve out time into your calendar to actually open up the store ad, look at the sales that they have for the upcoming week, and see if anything that you need or anything that's on your never want to run out of list is on super duper sale, so you know what to get from what store. Now I'm going to give you an example. CVS and Walgreens, I'm probably going to start going about bi-weekly. Publix is as needed based on sales. Walmart, we go bi-weekly right now, but I don't see us needing to go any more than that. Target, I go about once a month. BJ's, I go every other month because we get enough things that will last us for 6 to 8 weeks. So I don't go to all of these stores, but I do make sure to check all of those store ads every week. So if something that we need, something that's on our never want to run out of list is at the dirt cheap price, I will make sure that that store gets added in to a shopping store for that week. Tip number 3 is where you actually get the coupons and you start doing the work. The way that you're going to coupon in 2022, number 1 is going to be digitally. So download the store app. So download CVS, download Walgreens, download Target, download BJ's and clip all the coupons of things that you think you might buy or things that you want to buy. Clip those coupons, because when you get to the register and you scan your card or you put in your phone number, those coupons will come off. You do not need to get newspaper inserts. You can if you want to, right? You get these from the newspaper, your local newspaper. You can find newspapers at Walmart. You can find newspapers at some Dollar Trees. You can find newspapers at your local grocery stores. And if you can't, call your local newspaper. Ours is the Orlando Sentinel, and you say, hey, can I get a newspaper subscriptions? When you get newspapers, always get them in groups of 2. But the thing I want you to know about couponing is that just because you bought newspapers and you got coupon inserts today doesn't mean that the coupons that are in there are going to be valid for the things that you want to buy. Sometimes the coupons came out weeks ago. That's why some people get them every week. And sometimes there's not going to be a coupon for the thing that you want. So that is why I say use digitals, and for us to focus in 2022 more on what coupons we have to lower the out-of-pocket for the things that we need versus chasing paper coupons. I won't be getting inserts in 2022. My newspaper is like $4.50. There is a free newspaper in Orlando. I'll get some inserts from there. That's where I got these from. And then also there is a Smart Source or even like a Save, I believe, that comes in our junk mail. So like my mailman drops it off and I will use whatever inserts in there. But I am not paying for any inserts unless it's like a crazy good week. And I do have a coupon fairy, and a coupon fairy is just someone who has a hookup with a local newspaper and that sends them inserts, and then they give the inserts to us and we pay like for shipping and handling. You can find a coupon fairy in a local Facebook group because people always ask that question. I am going to have a whole nother video coming out this month that's going to be all about where to get coupons. So my Where to Get Coupons 2021 video is currently up, but I will be doing an updated version for 2022. But I knew that if I did not touch paper coupons, everyone was going to be asking. But the main way is to use the digitals on your phone. Next thing, along with downloading the store apps and clipping coupons, is to use your rebate apps. The top 3 rebate apps I suggest you have are Fetch, Flues, and Ibotta, okay? All the links will be down in the description box for you to sign up with these rebate apps. Fetch rewards, you scan your receipts and you earn gift cards. For Ibotta, you purchase specific items. So it'll say, buy a Colgate at Walmart and get $2 back. You buy specific items, you get cash back. Once you get to $20, you cash out. And Flues, you purchase gift cards for stores you're going to shop at and you earn cash back. So you are going to shop at CVS, you're going to earn 5% cash back. You buy a $20 gift card and you go ahead and you earn 5% cash back. Once you get to $26, you cash out to PayPal or you buy another gift card. So those 3 rebate apps are going to allow you to earn more money on top of the money that you're already spending and gift cards. And you can use the cash back and gift cards that you earn to buy more things that you need. So 2022 is all about digital. And then the last way to get coupons is going to be printable. I say print. I'm going to focus on doing printable coupons and digital coupons in 2022 because chasing inserts can be annoying. Availability of them is slim. The value of the coupons is low. And a lot of the newspapers are $4 and $5, and there's not $4 and $5 worth of coupons in the inserts. So get a printer, get some ink, and you can print coupons from coupons.com, the website. Okay? So that is where you get coupons. Tip number 3, get your coupons and get them ready. Tip number 4 for how to coupon in 2022 is to set a coupon budget. If you are new to couponing, you want to set a budget off the bat because if not, you're going to be trying to go to 5 stores every week and spending all the money. Because if you spend $15 at 5 stores, you just spent a whole lot of money, almost like what, 60, 75 bucks going to 5 different stores. Couponing and saving money, it's really counterproductive. So you want to set a budget. I suggest $15 to $20 per store when you're starting out, no more than 2 stores a week. Like my personal couponing budget for the week is $35. That's because I go to CVS and Walgreens, and sometimes I spend $20 to $25 at Walgreens getting a lot of grocery items, food items, as well as my paper products, things that we actually need, and that helps to reduce my grocery budget. So you want to set a weekly coupon budget. So just to recap, Tip number 1, create a needs list and a never want to run out of list, because how will you know what you need to buy if you don't know what you need? Tip number 2 is to decide what stores you're going to be shopping at, so you can start to research and look at their store ads every week to decide where you're actually going to go couponing at. Number 3 is get the coupons. Download the store apps, download the rebate apps. Get your paper coupons if you want them. You don't need them, but only if you want them. And then get your printer and your ink together so you can print coupons. And tip number 4 is to set a weekly coupon budget so you're not out there spending all your freaking money. So let me know down in the comments if these tips were helpful. If you're like, Crystal, I love this, but I want more help, come get inside the Money Saving Academy. This is my 6-month group coaching program where I help you save up to $300 every single month by couponing, budgeting, meal planning, and strategically shopping. You get weekly live trainings with me, daily Q&A support, and a full money savings course to help you create strategies so that you can save money every single month and see that money that you save inside your bank account. You can sign up right now at moneysavingacademy.com. And should you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. I would love to hop on a free 15-minute call with you to chat about working together inside the Money Saving Academy. I want to thank you all so much for your love and support. I appreciate each and every one of you. Stay safe out there as you are shopping. And as always, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.